Typically with this client, he's had us pick the cars up directly from the Porsche dealership, but he was so excited to drive this one that he drove it over here. This car only has 33 miles on it, and I could already count 3 different rock chips that had damaged the paint in that short amount of time. So one of the first things we do is we like to take the car apart as far as we can so we can assure that we're wrapping around every corner, covering up as much as the paint as physically possible with this material. Taking them apart and putting them back together is, aside from a lot of extra steps, it really is an effortless process. So what we ended up doing is we covered all of the gloss black paint with the satin paint protection, and we covered up all of the carbon fiber pieces with the gloss paint protection to kind of give it that two-tone look. I've already seen the look on the client's face that I know he's stoked. He's beyond thrilled with the final product here. I think it's the sickest Porsche that I've ever seen.